Fake news. EFCC denies commenting on VeryDarkMan's arrest. My country people, welcome to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification button so that you go get alert once we drop any update. Also like, comment, and share our videos. The tori wey e just enter now talk say the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) e don refute the report when e come through the BBC Pidgin along with the statement wey dem attribute to their first public relations officer wey im name na Dele Oyewale, say both of those things na fake news. My country people, report enter say EFCC don come out to explain the reason why they arrest VeryDarkMan Martins Vincent Osei. The report quote EFCC say they arrest am because of the plenty petitions wey dem receive from country people concerning VeryDarkMan. And according to the story, when they ask EFCC whether na the Guarantee Trust Bank (GTB) na im make dem arrest am, the report say EFCC say no, say na plenty petitions and that dem dey at liberty to protect the people when e do the petition. E come say dem go carry VeryDarkMan go court. Meanwhile, dem don set bail template for am. If e fit meet the bail template, e say dem go release am pending when dem go arraign am for court. However, EFCC don come out now through different pictures to talk say that narrative e no come out from them. E no also come out from their spokesperson wey e be Oyewale. Na the figment of the imagination of people when e just decide to spin that lies. They declare that report as fake, which in itself na another crime. Why will people spin narrative say EFCC talk something when they not talk anything? Many Nigerians don dey react to this latest information when it come out from the Crimes Commission. You know, some dey say Nigeria dey dysfunctional on all fronts. Like somebody said, e say too bad. You know, others go say, okay, if you say no be una talk am, then make una tell us why una arrest VeryDarkMan. Maybe the reason why people spin that fake narrative na because una no dey come forward with wetin be the authentic information. Because if you withhold information, well, information go naturally come out. So, okay, you don tell us now say na fake news. Okay, tell us now the original news. Some other people come dey say fake news everywhere. Even journalists also dey carry fake news. You know, somebody come say na possible mind game o. Another person say it's unbelievable. Others go say okay, but wetin remain be say EFCC arrest VDM. At least dem no talk say that one na fake news. Wetin be fake news na the fact say dem no talk, say, this na why they arrest am or why dem no arrest am. So my country pipo, na the latest report when e come from EFCC, make we still put allegedly, na we bring come give una so.